Welcome to this channel. If you're a coach, consultant, or professional entrepreneur who is looking to grow and scale your business, and you would like to do that with high-end clients so that you are working less and making more, this is the channel for you. If you're an expert who's looking to build a lucrative and impactful coaching, consulting, or professional service business, this channel is for you. And if you're a speaker, an author, someone who is out there in the professional space and you're excellent at what you do and you want to build more revenue, then this is for you. My name is Ann Carden, and I work with coaches, consultants, professional entrepreneurs, and experts who really want to build a high-end premium business, and they want to get into multiple 6 and even 7 figures or more, but they want to do it working less. So this is a channel that is going to help you with cutting-edge strategies, revenue growth, marketing, sales, and I even interview other experts who share their best strategies, tips, and secrets with you. I have been building businesses for myself for over 34 years. I've built 7 businesses. I'm still running 2 of those, and I've sold 5 previous businesses. I've also worked with hundreds and hundreds of entrepreneurs and business owners over the past 15 years as a coach, helping them have more success in their business. So my knowledge and my experience runs deep. But look, I made a lot of mistakes in business, and I want to help you avoid those, as well as show you all of the things that I've learned that can move you forward faster and have a business that you love. I believe you can build wealth with your business. Business has changed my life. It's changed the life of my family. It's changed our future, and I want to help you be able to do this with your business too. So you can have an impactful and lucrative business when you're doing things in the right way and you're learning how to stay at the top of your game. So together, I want to help you build your influence, step into the spotlight, have a revenue model that brings you the money and the impact that you want, and allow you to change your life with your business and the lives of others. So if that's you, then all you need to do right now is hit subscribe and make sure you hit that little notification bell, because I release new content to help you all the time. Together, we can grow an incredible business for you. Let me help you. Subscribe to the channel now, and we'll talk soon. God bless you. Have an amazing day.